So my name is Kim Len. I'm Suji's daughter, who owns the Cameo Cafe, and my mom and I started this hot sauce and barbecue sauce and spices business that's inspired by the recipes that my mother made at the Cameo and in our family. The brand is called Suji's. It's branded after my mom, and we are excited about this next chapter for our family in launching this new sauces business.
I'm Suji Len, and I have owned the restaurant since in 1992. So I have my daughter and I. It's a hard time, so we decided to open the restaurant. No experience. I'm always carrying with me Tabasco sauce. Then one day, why I got Tabasco sauce? I can make a hot sauce. That's how I was studying Old Baby hot sauce. I tried my customer. I give the hot sauce to test out. No, we're not good. You're gonna try it. I forced to eat. Oh, the people love it. What is it? Old Baby. That's how I named my sauce name, Old Baby.
We've been talking for probably over the last decade about needing to put this sauce in market. Our customers love it. I use it at home all the time, and finally one day I felt like there's no better time than the present, and we must get this done. What really helped, I think, get this over the line was the support of the Portland Community College Small Business Development Center, particularly the class that I took called Get Your Recipe to Market, which served to help people like us who may have had a product already that's being consumed in a restaurant, or maybe it's a home recipe that you're looking to get to the next level, and you just don't know how to do it. But really, through the support of this class, with the advisors that are there, every week was a new advisor teaching about a different component of what you needed to do. And then it was the advice and support from other advisors on, like, how do you pitch the product? What's your strategy? What does the branding look like? How do you market yourself different than other products that are out there? So I encourage anyone that has an idea to really go through the Portland Community College Small Business Development Center and take the advice of them and others that are huge resources here in the Portland area that I've have had the support from, and to really utilize that, because otherwise I honestly don't think we would have had our sauces in market now.
Thank you, my daughter.
Oh no, but so she's the
Yes.
brand, it's her story. And it's really been a labor of love for us, because a labor of love for me, because it's a moment for me to celebrate my mom and her legacy and everything that she's brought to our family.
We do only love each other and total respect, trust. As my family, my daughter, my son, my husband, but it's just like I feel all my customers. Somebody buy Old Baby hot sauce, the other one same. They can put the food up, they think about Cameo Suji, and my daughter made it. We are very happy, very fortunate. Thank you so much.